We are live tonight in Florida with the latest in the trial of Casey Anthony, Tot Mom, on trial for the brutal murder of her own little girl, just 2 years old, little Kelly. To Michael Christian joining us there at the Clearwater Courthouse. Michael, at the moment the judge came in, obviously disturbed. He had to cancel court for the rest of the day. What happened in court? Describe it for us.
You know, we had come back from lunch, Nancy, and the attorneys had immediately gone back into chambers with the court reporter. So something was going on the record back there. All the attorneys came out, the prosecutors went to their table, but the defense attorneys then went back to the holding cell area where Casey Anthony is kept during recesses and so forth. They came back into the courtroom, the defendant came into the courtroom, the judge took the bench. We expected to start with the next juror. All of a sudden, the judge asked the question about, have you discussed the matter with Miss Anthony? Yes. Boom, we're excused until 8:30 tomorrow morning. People's mouths were just hanging. Nobody could quite figure out what was going on. The minute Judge Perry was off the bench, reporters literally rushed Jeff Ashton, the prosecutor, because he sits closest to where they sit, trying to find out what was going on. All he would say was, the judge has just said court will be recessed until 8:30 tomorrow morning. People are like, why? Why? Tell us specifically what's happening. And he just answered, the judge didn't say on the record. So we don't know, and they're not telling. But believe me, it was a moment that nobody was expecting. A few hours before, he'd been saying we were going to work till 8 or 9 o'clock at night. All of a sudden, we're going home at 1:30. Nobody could figure it out.
Now to Leonard Padilla, bounty hunter who first bailed Tot Mom out of jail. He's joining us from Sacramento. Leonard, do you think Tot Mom would cop a deal?
If they renew the 10-year deal that they had offered back before the body was found, I think she will.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. What about something more severe than that? Say 20 on voluntary. Would she take it?
No, I don't think so. I think she'd take the 10 if they renewed their offer. But I don't think she'd take any more than that. I think it'd be a go-to-trial thing. And today, it's one of two things. It's either that or something else that's very personal with Jose.
Baez.
That I really believe that they renewed their offer.
Why? Why would they give this case away at a bargain basement blue light special deal of 10
Nancy,
years?
they're not giving the case away. Look at the jury that they selected so far. Nobody's going to find her guilty of first degree. Nobody. Not going to happen.
I disagree. I completely disagree.